Hey folks, got a problem with the turn signals on this 59 Belair. Got the right turn, it comes on, it blinks. But to shut it off, you go neutral, it keeps going. You gotta go left turn and then back. Left turn works, go to neutral, goes out. Right turn, not so much. I believe that's in the switch. Now this is a replacement switch. These are cable operated. I'll show you where that's mounted in a minute. I've checked. I don't think I've got too much play in that cable arrangement. But we get down here, up above the clutch pedal. There you can see it. I'm going to change it out, see if that fixes things. I'll be right back. Hey folks, got the shiny new switch up in there. Let's see here. Tell you a thing or two about this. They're cable operated, and the cable is clamped down by this tab. There's a screw there. I had to reuse it. And then the wire portion goes in this little clip. So to adjust it, you slide it up and down on the cable. That's where you center your adjustment, which I had done with this one. It didn't fix it. Let's see if the new one fixes it. Got the key on. Right turn. Neutral. Hey, nothing. Left turn. I think it's a fair shot better. One more thing, guys. Do a turn signal switch, go back and check if they work. Now I've got the brake pedal block down. Okay, we got the left turn going. Pretty dark over here. I know I got signal out of the switch because my third brake light, it's lit up. Let's see if the other side works. Nope, still dark there. Still lit on the third brake light. Blinking over here. Let's take a look. Oh, I can see the problem. When I plugged it in, that backed out. So I took to go back in there. That's a little better. That might do it. Now let's see what we got going on. Yep, we got the blinky. And we're on solid. Check the other side, guys. You've disturbed the wiring, so. Yep, we're on solid and we're blinking. Okay, I think that makes it done. Well, if you ever see that, it ain't terrible bright. Shows up pretty good at night. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.